Welcome, my dear students. Today we will start with the first chapter of environmental studies, that is solid waste management for sustainable society. Let us look at A part. A part is classification of waste. In this, we will learn about different sources of solid waste, and second one is a detailed classification of waste or types of waste. Now let us go ahead. Let, do you know about waste? Students, do you know about waste? या कचरा, जिसको हम लोग लोकल लैंग्वेज में कचरा कचरा बोलते हैं, दैट इज व्हाट इज वेस्ट. ओके, नाउ यू नो कि वेस्ट इज जनरेटेड बाय नंबर ऑफ इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज ऑफ मैन. You know, population of the world is engaged in primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary sector. Okay, so these economic activities generates waste at large amount. Now let us see what is waste. Waste is a material that is left over, or waste are materials that are leftovers from some human activities and have no use. Okay, इसका मतलब क्या है बच्चों कि वेस्ट हम लोग किसको कहते हैं, कचरा किसको कहते हैं कि जो जो ऐसी ऐसी चीज़ें कि जिनका कोई यूज़ नहीं है. ओके, ऐसे ही पड़ी है घर में. ओके, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड व्हाट, वेस्ट. उसको हम लोग कचरा बोलते हैं. यदि आप लोग आपके कबर्ड में देखोगे, ओके, कबर्ड खोल के यदि देखोगे तो आपके कबर्ड में आपको बहुत सारा वेस्ट मिलेगा. ओके, जैसे कि कुछ पेन मिलेंगे आपको. ओके, कि जो जिनको आप लोग यूज़ नहीं कर रहे हो, ऐसे ही ड्रॉवर्स में डंप करके रखे हैं. पेंसिल्स, मतलब नोक टूटी हुई पेंसिल्स मिलेंगे आप लोगों को, है ना. एक आध ओल्ड पुराना वाला मोबाइल फ़ोन मिलेगा. एक आध रिस्ट वॉच मिलेगी कि जो नहीं चल रही है. मम्मी के किचन में जाके देखो, थोड़ा मम्मी को पूछो कि ये चीज़ इस्तेमाल कर रही हो या वो चीज़ इन दैट वे, तो मम्मी बोलेगी कि नहीं बेटा, ये मैं ये चीज़ फ़िलहाल तो कुछ यूज़ नहीं कर रही हूँ, उसको मैं बाद में यूज़ करूँगी. ओके, तो देखो बच्चों, अपने घर में ही ऐसा बहुत सारा कचरा है. कचरा मतलब क्या कि जिसको, ऐसी चीज़ें कि जो हम लोग इस्तेमाल नहीं कर रहे हैं. ओके, दैट इज़ व्हाट इज़ वेस्ट. ओके, द अमाउंट ऑफ वेस्ट जनरेटेड डिपेंड्स अपॉन सॉरी वेरियस फैक्टर्स. कौन से फैक्टर्स पे डिपेंड करता है ये? the level of economic development. So, for example, you are financially sound. Okay, you might have more than two Android phones, and you might have more than two or three, wrist watches, more suits, etc. Okay, then the standard of living of the people, industrialization, industries generates all kind of waste at large amount. Okay, and industrial waste is very harmful. Okay, then process of urbanization, then the size of population. Another important reason what, कि हम लोग ज़्यादा मटेरियलिस्टिक हो चुके हैं. ओके, कि हम, मुझे ये चाहिए, वो चाहिए. ओके, इन दैट वे. तो ये जो हैं, all these things, okay, all these factors are responsible for waste. Okay, for increasing amount of waste, etc. Now let us look at rural societies. Okay, rural people are more aware about waste management, okay, than urban people. Okay, and of course, what kind of waste uh, is been generated in urban areas? Of course, it includes glass, paper, plastic, chemicals, poisonous gases, etc. And this type of waste is not easily degraded and do not go back into the natural cycles of the environment. ओके, जस्ट आई टोल्ड यू कि वी बिकम मटेरियलिस्टिक, मतलब क्या कि कंजम्पशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेस ये ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है सोसाइटी का. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई एम हैविंग वन एंड्रॉयड फोन, I won't be satisfied with a single piece of mobile. Okay, I want a new one. I want another one in that way. Okay, तो ये जो मेंटालिटी है, ओके, तो ये भी वेस्ट जनरेट होने के लिए, ज़्यादा वेस्ट जनरेट होने के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. ओके, नाउ लेट अस टॉक अबाउट डिफरेंट सोर्सेस ऑफ सॉलिड वेस्ट. तो ये जो सॉलिड वेस्ट है इसके सोर्सेस क्या है, स्रोत क्या है. ओके, ये हम लोग यहाँ पे देखेंगे. फर्स्ट इज डोमेस्टिक वेस्ट, मतलब घरेलू कचरा. अपने घर से जो कचरा निकलता है उसको क्या कहा जाता है, डोमेस्टिक वेस्ट. ओके, एंड इट इंक्लूड्स spoiled food or leftover food, old newspapers, waste papers, plastic bags, है ना, etc. Then tins, broken glasses, stationery, bulbs, tubes, etc. etc. Understood? The next one is what? Waste from industries and waste from uh, you know uh, different departments. Okay, that is what is commercial waste. Okay, commercial waste includes gases waste, then solid waste, liquid waste, etc. Okay, industrial waste and commercial waste includes, of course, ash, packaging, containers, then different kind of. Okay, the next is clinical or biomedical waste, or waste from laboratories, waste from pathologies, waste from hospitals. Okay, and बच्चों, this waste is very or highly infectious. Okay, waste from hospitals, or you can say clinical waste or biomedical waste जो होता है ये infectious होता है, highly infectious होता है. Okay, it includes uh, it includes what? Needles, bottles, syringes, tubes, sheets, gloves, cotton soiled with blood and other body fluids, old and leftover medicine. ओल्ड एंड लेफ्ट ओवर मेडिसिन को ही आप लोग एक्सपायर्ड मेडिसिन भी कहते हैं ना हम लोग. ओके, एक्सेट्रा. सो दिस वेस्ट इज वेरी हार्मफुल. ओके, biomedical waste is highly infectious. Okay, this waste is highly infectious and can be a serious threat to human health if not managed and treated in a scientific manner. Okay, improper management of waste generated in healthcare centers, or hospitals causes a direct health impact on the community, then healthcare workers, and on the environment. So, it requires specific treatment and management prior to its final disposal. Okay, biomedical waste requires specific treatment and management prior to its final disposal. Okay, because it is very infectious, it is very harmful. Okay, now let us come towards agricultural waste. Okay, agricultural waste, agricultural residues. It includes, stacks, dried grass, dried and wet leaves, husk, etc. Okay, तो देखो जो भी फार्मर्स हैं, फार्मर्स ये जो एग्रीकल्चरल वेस्ट है इसको ऑर्गेनिक मैन्योर्स करके भी यूज़ करते हैं बहुत सारे फार्मर्स। ओके। कुछ फार्मर्स जो होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं, दे यूज़ chemical fertilizers, insecticides, pesticides to get more production and to protect the crops from insects and pests. Okay. तो इससे क्या होता है कि बहुत बार ये जो है इनका जो रेसिड्यू रह जाता है, ओके, ये सॉइल में प्रेजेंट रहता है, या तो इट रिमेन्स present in the soil for years, okay, and which is very harmful for micro and macroorganisms which are present in the soil. Okay, now let us talk about animal waste. Okay, animal waste products associated with, of course, agriculture. Okay, it includes animal dung, excreta of other animals, and the bodies of dead animals, etc. Okay. Actually, animal dung is used as a organic manure. Okay. Now, nuclear power plants, thermal power plants, etc. These are what? Different sources of waste. Okay. Then mining activities or minerals. These are what? Different sources of waste. Now, let us look at a detailed classification of waste, or you can say types of waste. Let us see types. One second, let me write something. Types of waste, or types of waste, or a detailed classification of waste. Okay. Actually, classification of the waste has been divided into 4 groups. Okay, we will see one by one. First group is on the basis of its nature. On the basis of its nature, या तो on the basis of nature of waste. Okay. For example, it has 3 types: solid waste, liquid waste, gaseous waste. Okay. Solid waste, of course, can be easily seen. Okay. It is generated from different types of economic activities like construction, industries, mining, commerce, etc. etc. Okay. Domestic waste is also means having solid waste. Okay. Then next is what? Gaseous waste. It includes poisonous gases from different industries. And liquid waste consists of sewage water from domestic and industrial activities. Okay. So this is what? These are what? Here are 3 types of waste which is based on its nature: solid, liquid and gases. Now let us look at second group or a second classification of waste on the basis of moisture content. It has 2: ओला कचरा and सूखा कचरा, है ना? Wet waste, which is called what? ओला कचरा. Okay. Dry waste, सूखा कचरा. Okay. Wet waste, it includes fruit, peels of fruits, then vegetables, etc. Then leftover food, वगैरह. Okay. Then dry waste, it includes paper, glass, plastic, etc. Okay. Now let us go ahead. Now let us look at third group of classification of waste on the basis of harmful nature. It includes hazardous waste and non-hazardous waste. Okay. Hazardous waste means what? Sorry. Hazardous waste and non-hazardous waste. Okay. Non-hazardous waste is again classified into 3: biodegradable, then non-biodegradable and non-degradable. Okay, now let us look at one by one. Let us see one by one. 1 second. Yeah. Hazardous waste. Let us see first hazardous waste. Okay. Hazardous waste. Hazardous waste किसको कहते हैं हम लोग? Hazardous waste is the waste that could not be highly toxic. Oh my god, sorry, extremely sorry. Hazardous waste हम लोग किसको कहते हैं कि जो हाईली टॉक्सिक हैं एंड इट्स वेरी हार्मफुल टू ह्यूमन बीइंग, एनिमल्स, प्लांट लाइफ एक्सेट्रा। हजार्डस वेस्ट किसको कहते हैं हम लोग कि जो टॉक्सिक हैं, हार्मफुल हैं, ओके, इन्फेक्शियस हैं, ओके, उसको हम लोग हजार्डस वेस्ट कहते हैं। ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल hospital waste, waste from hospitals, just we talked about it. Okay, it is called what? Biomedical waste. Then certain types of household waste, say for example old batteries, shoe polish, tins of paint, old medicines or outdated expired medicines, okay, medicine bottles, then bandages, etc. Okay, this is what is hazardous waste. ओके, ये इतना हजार्डस है कि ये एनवायरनमेंट को भी हार्म करता है एज वेल एज ह्यूमन बीइंग, एनिमल लाइफ, प्लांट लाइफ, इनकी भी हेल्थ धोखे में आ सकती है। अंडरस्टूड। अभी देखो जो हाउस होल्ड वेस्ट है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक सेल का एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं। सेल इन अ रिमोट की जो हम लोग रिमोट में इस्तेमाल करते हैं, उस सेल को यदि हम लोगों ने ग्राउंड पे ऐसे ही फेंक दिया, ओके, तो उसका मिट्टी एंड वाटर के साथ यदि कुछ कांटेक्ट आता है सेल का, इट स्टार्ट डिकम्पोजिंग। ओके, जैसे ही वो सेल थोड़ा डिकम्पोज होना शुरू होता है, इट स्टार्ट रिलीजिंग रेडियो एक्टिव एलिमेंट्स। ओके, those radioactive elements mixed up with air, mixed up with water. ओके, यदि वो रेडियो एक्टिव एलिमेंट्स एयर में मिक्सड हुए हैं तो थ्रू रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम दोज एलिमेंट्स कैन एंटर इन आवर बॉडी एंड दोज एलिमेंट्स कैन डायरेक्टली अटैक आवर ब्रेन सेल्स और सेल्स ऑफ ब्रेन। ओके, तो ये इतना हार्मफुल होता है। ओके, ई वेस्ट। ओके, वी विल टॉक इन डिटेल अबाउट ई वेस्ट। ओके, now let us look at non-hazardous waste. Okay, non-hazardous waste is what? Municipal waste and household waste, and it can be it is obtained from street sweepings, then construction work, demolition of buildings, etc. Okay, then let us look at again hazardous waste. Sorry. Non-hazardous waste, here there should be non-hazardous. Okay, non-hazardous waste may be further classified into three. Just we talked about it. Okay, biodegradable non-hazardous waste is further classified into three: biodegradable, non-biodegradable, and non-degradable. Okay, so this non-hazardous waste is, just I told you, it again classified into three. Now let us look at biodegradable waste. Okay, biodegradable waste is also known as what? Organic waste. Okay, of course this waste includes vegetable peels, remains of fruits, then vegetables, bones, meat, then leftover food, etc. Okay, the next is non-biodegradable waste. Okay, non-biodegradable waste includes synthetic materials like plastic, thermocol, nylon, rayon, and other synthetic polymers. Okay, this is called what? Non-biodegradable waste. It also consists electronic waste. Okay, now this non-biodegradable waste is means cannot be decomposed by the microorganisms, and therefore non-biodegradable waste will remain on the earth for years until we find some solution for their proper management. Okay, now let us talk about third type is non-degradable waste. Non-degradable waste, it includes synthetic material like plastic, thermocol, then rayon, etc., etc. Okay, now e-waste or electronic waste. Okay, e-waste किसको कहा जाता है बच्चों? It consists any broken or unwanted electrical or electronic appliances. Okay, now we will talk in detail about e-waste later. Okay, now fourth group, okay, is classification of waste on the basis of its reuse. On the basis of its reuse. Okay, it has three types of waste. First is persistent waste, second one is recyclable waste, and third one is non-recyclable waste. Okay, now let us see persistent waste. Okay, persistent waste किसको कहा जाता है बच्चों? कि which cannot be easily degraded by microbial activity or weathering processes. Okay, for example, persistent pollutants like DDT and BHC. What is the full form of DDT? Full form of DDT is diphenyl trichloroethane. Okay, and of course it is a synthetic insecticides. Okay, DDT is used as an insecticide, okay, in the farm. Okay, and what is the full form of BHC? Full form of BHC is benzene hexachloride. Okay, BHC is commonly used for an agricultural insecticide. ओके, ये जो दोनों हैं ये इंसेक्टिसाइड्स है कि जो एग्रीकल्चर या फार्मिंग में यूज किए जाते हैं. ओके, दिस काइंड ऑफ वेस्ट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? persistent waste. Okay, then next is what? Recyclable waste. Okay, recyclable waste. Recyclable waste किसको कहते हैं, कहा जाता है बच्चों? Waste that can be used again and again by some processing on them. Okay, for example, paper, glass, plastic, household waste, etc. Okay, now let us look at non-recyclable waste. Okay, non-recyclable waste किसको कहा जाता है बच्चों? Okay, non-recyclable waste cannot be decomposed by microorganisms or which cannot be decomposed, or this waste cannot be used after some processing. ओके, नॉन रिसाइक्लेबल वेस्ट किसको कहा जाता है? कि जो माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म से भी डिकम्पोज नहीं हो सकता, और एंड ये मीन्स दिस कैन नॉट बी यूज्ड आफ्टर सम प्रोसेसिंग आल्सो. दिस इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? नॉन रिसाइक्लेबल वेस्ट. अभी नॉन रिसाइक्लेबल वेस्ट के एग्जाम्पल्स क्या क्या हैं? फॉर एग्जाम्पल लाइट बल्ब्स, ओके, कैन नॉट बी रिसाइकल्ड. Okay, then another example is adhesive tapes, then laminated papers, carbon papers, mirrors, etc. This type of waste cannot be recycled. Okay, cannot be recycled and cannot be used after processing. Okay, here we have finished sources of waste and types of waste. Okay, in next video we'll talk about e-waste and plastic waste. Okay, till then, goodbye, have a nice day.